The VITA program has been around for quite some time here at JC.
In the 80s, our former department chair, Bill Clout, worked a little bit with it, and they did returns on a small scale. But, I just kind of made it bigger. When I started, we maybe did 30 returns a year. But then once we started using the computer system in the late 90s, that's when it really just exploded. And now we do about 250 a year instead of 30.
The best thing about VITA is that it is mostly a student-run program provided free of charge.
It feels good to help people in the community and other students to do their taxes for them for free, and they're able to come here and we do a good job for them and our services to them. It is all volunteer, so it's good to give back to them, and doing something that we learned to do in the classroom, we can go and help our community in the meantime as well.
The program is open to students from JC as well as community members.
Low-income and elderly people are able to take advantage of our free e-filing service. We both prepare the returns and e-file them at no charge, which means that people that wouldn't otherwise seek out assistance are able to get some help. They are not hanging out there by themselves trying to figure it out. And it certainly has gotten more complicated, so it's nice that we can help them out.
The program's popularity has increased, so setting up an appointment is crucial.
Well, we were open every Saturday in February and one Tuesday, the 16th. However, we book up really fast, and so we're actually full and have no more appointments available. It's really great that people want to take advantage of this, and we're doing the best we can to squeeze everyone in and work with the community, but we only have so many volunteers, so that's not always possible.